Everyone in the naval bay froze the moment the admiral's voice thundered across the hangar, "Fix this jet and I'll marry you." And every eye swung toward the single dad with the oil-stained hands, the one man who never asked for favors, never looked for attention, and definitely never expected a challenge that could shatter him from the inside out. The air smelled like burned fuel and ocean wind as Adam Hale felt his heart drop to his boots. He wasn't amused, and he knew the admiral wasn't joking. Admiral Rowan Drake stood tall, decorated, powerful, known for being ruthless with pilots and mechanics alike. The smirk on his face wasn't playful, it was a test, a dare, and something darker. People whispered that the admiral didn't believe in second chances, except everyone also whispered that Adam had already run out of his. Adam swallowed hard as the whole hangar waited for him to react. He could have laughed it off, he could have walked away, he should have, but then he remembered the reason he took this job in the first place: his 7-year-old daughter, Maisie, who was sitting in the corner in her little yellow headphones, drawing pictures of planes because she believed her dad could fix anything. The truth was, Adam had fixed everything except the thing that broke him, the one mistake that cost him his pilot wings and left him grounded forever. He didn't care what the admiral thought of him, but he cared deeply about keeping the job that gave Maisie stability, and gave him a chance to rebuild his name. So he set his jaw, wiped his hands on his coveralls, and walked toward the broken jet. It wasn't just any jet, it was the silent monster of the fleet, the one that had grounded missions for weeks. 3 teams had tried to diagnose the issue and failed. The admiral's words echoed in Adam's head. It wasn't a marriage proposal, it was humiliation wrapped like a challenge. But Adam didn't fight back. He just said quietly, "I'll fix it," and when he glanced up, he caught something flicker across the admiral's eyes, not mockery, not arrogance, but something that looked suspiciously like fear, or regret. The hours stretched. Adam crawled under metal panels, traced wires like a surgeon, listened to engines breathe like he was listening to a heartbeat. He didn't just understand machines, machines understood him. Maisie brought him water, hummed songs, and leaned her head on his shoulder whenever he stopped to breathe. "You'll fix it, Daddy," she whispered with absolute certainty. And somehow that gave him power. But the deeper he worked, the more he realized something terrifying: this jet wasn't broken by wear. It was broken by tampering, subtle, malicious, intentional. Someone wanted it grounded. Someone wanted missions delayed. Someone wanted Rowan Drake vulnerable. Adam hesitated, wondering if he should tell the admiral now or later, but as he rose to stand, Rowan himself appeared at his side. No smirk this time. No sharp comments. Just a quiet, almost trembling, "Did you find something?" Adam didn't answer immediately. Instead he looked into the admiral's eyes, really looked, and that's when he saw the exhaustion, the weight, the hidden war the man was fighting behind his medals. "I'll tell you when I confirm it," Adam finally said. Rowan nodded once, and for the first time that day, neither of them felt like they were standing on opposite sides of a battlefield. By midnight, Adam's hands shook as he tightened the final bolt. He hit the power switch. The jet came alive in a single roaring breath, smooth, controlled, perfect. Mechanics gasped. Pilots shouted. Maisie jumped up and down. Rowan stared like he was seeing a miracle, and then Adam turned to the admiral and said the words that stopped the world, "It's fixed. But you're not gonna like the reason why."